Let's write another function that can search a student from the file. I have chosen the file operation class for writing this function because I have grouped all the file operations inside this class. So let's write a function that can search through the file, right? So the return type should be Boolean, as it should return true if the object is found, and if it is not found, it should return false. So the name of the function, let's say, is search. I want to declare this function as static as well. The search function should accept a string, the name, let's say, for the student that is to be searched, right? Okay, now in order to search from the file, obviously I need to dig into the file, right? One option is that I again open the stream, I go into the I basically establish a stream with the file, and I start reading records from the file, and I then see each record if it contains the name that is passed from the runner, and I will return true if it is found and false if it is not found. An easy approach is that I already have a function that is doing all this, and this function is present in my class, the read all data function. So why not reuse that function and just store the answer in a list. Right? So the file operation, they were already written in this function, so I am again using them in the search class. This function is present in the file operations class, read all data function. I have just explained, right? So यहाँ पर हमें पता है कि ये सब फाइल राइटिंग कोड मैं ऑलरेडी लिख चुकी हूँ. So why to write it again, right? यहाँ पे मैं read all data लिख लेती हूँ again. उसके बाद मुझे सिर्फ फाइल में error list में से सर्चिंग करनी है, right? And which is very easy. All of you can do that. So let's create a variable and just iterate through the list. Okay, if list dot get I hope you have now understood that when we have a list that contains user defined objects, get I के ऊपर हम कोई कंपैरिजन, कोई इक्वालिटी, कोई ऑपरेशन नहीं लगा सकते. ठीक है, हमें गेट आई के ऊपर मजीद डॉट करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज गेट आई इज रिटर्निंग मी द रेफरेंस. सो मैं कहूँगी हर ऑब्जेक्ट जो कि ith इंडेक्स पे है उसका जो नेम है, इफ इट इज इक्वल टू, इक्वल्स फंक्शन लगा लेते हैं, इफ इट इज इक्वल टू द नेम दैट इज पास टू दिस फंक्शन, तो found is true, right? And you may also break from this function here. Fine, right? So if you have found whatever you were looking for, you can set your variable to true. Otherwise, if it is not found, the variable will remain false. And at the end of the function, you can return this variable like this, right? So we can search anything from the array list, from the file now, right? But please remember that I have again used the read all data function here. Let's call this function from the runner. So let's execute it. Here you can see that the search operation is returning true. So this basically shows that in order to write objects to file, the first consideration is that the classes must be serializable. All the classes that are to be returned to the file, either they are references or the class itself, they should be serializable. Secondly, we have written the operations related to file in a separate file, and we can call them through any class, right? So here we can see that this file operations class has a write to file function that writes an object to the file, and it has a function read all data that reads everything from the file. This is a useful function, and you can use this function for performing other file related operations such as search operation, right? I hope that file writing operations are clear. If you still have any queries, you can ask your teacher in the QA session. Another hint that I want to give here is that the updations and deletions operations that are vital when you are creating a project, they can also be written with the help of the read all data function. For update operations, you can read everything from the file in an array list, and you can update a certain record in the list, and then you can write the complete list back to the file again by writing the file writing code from the write function. Thank you, students.